Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create your custom preset in Lightroom. This will be a great way to save your favorite edits and apply them quickly to other photos. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So first things first, open the Lightroom mobile app and select any photo that you want to edit. I'll choose this photo. And now we'll go ahead and make adjustment to our photo. This could include things like exposure, contrast, color grading, and more. So take your time to get it just how you like it. Now, once you're happy with your edit, click here on the three dots and select the Create Preset option right here. And now, name your preset and click here to save changes. And now to see our preset, simply click here on the preset option and you can see this is our preset that we can use in other photos as well. Now to use the preset we have created just now, select any photo that you want to add that preset to. Now click on preset and as you can see our preset is right here, cool preset. Now it is applied to the photo right here. And just like that, we can create preset and apply it to different photos in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.